All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do on this one is we're going to upload our portraits. Remember, you shouldn't take any selfies. I was with me, myself, and I, so I took selfies. I know, hypocritical, Mr. Wrote, but when you're working by yourself, there's only so much you can do. So you're going to go to your volume. Okay, you can see here I have the done project where I can put all my done pieces that I've toned and put in. I'm going to go back to DCIM. Go in here and I can start looking through the photos that I want and take them right off of the SD card. So let's see here. I can see here I cut sides of my face off. I cut off my nose, it looks like there, part of my head. Let's go with this one here. This one doesn't look too bad, even though I got a bright, shiny head, a little out of focus. So we're just going to work on this one. And again, we're going to crop and use the same tools we used last time. And the first thing we're going to do is come to this section here and do that. Again, autofix. I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Do not know how to rotate. There it goes, rotate. We're going to rotate the image, and I'm going to click this way, and boom. We're going to hit apply. Now the image is rotated, so it's a little bit better, though I don't look happy. And we're going to crop. We're going to crop this down. Remember, do not act like your pictures are zombies. You don't want to cut off the forehead. You want to leave the forehead in there. We can cut some of the bottom part down if we want to. Okay. And if you see these crosshairs here, it's very important that you get one of those crosshairs should be on the eye. That will help for your composition. So you can see here, I'm moving this on my left eye. So we basically got 2/3 of my face in the composition, 1/3 is kind of out over here. Hit apply. Okay, good. And then we're going to start playing with the color and the vibrance. We did a little bit of that last time. But we want to play with the saturation. We want to get things a little bit warmer, or we want to go achromatic, which means black and white. One of your facial pictures, one of your portraits, needs to be achromatic. The rest can be all in color. You need at least one achromatic, one that you've altered the saturation. I'm going to alter the saturation. I'm going to get some reds in my face. I can go to the hue and make myself even more pink if I want to, or purple. And just kind of play around there. I like that. And color the brightness and darkness. Okay. Once you get it the way that you like, again, hit apply, and it's going to apply that vibrance there. Okay, and the next thing you might want to do is sharpen. Cameras are not the best, so we can decide what amount to sharpen. We can have the radius, and we can sharpen certain parts of the face. And then when you're done with that, you can hit apply if you like. This image has a lot of digital noise. I'm assuming that's what smooth is. So, not right now. So, you can smooth out the digital on that one. Okay? That's the main thing I want you to do for the portraits. When we go to the next assignment of jumping, we want to look more at the focal, and we're going to play around with that. Autofix, crop, vibrance, color, and even a contrast if you want. We can make our contrast a little bit more darker and apply. Once you're done with that, you're going to hit save. Again, you're going to rename it.
Mrs. Hackett, would you call 462, please? Mrs. Hackett,
and then hit save, please? And put it back in the volume and the done project, and click save again, and it should save it exactly where you need to have it. Enjoy.